Deputy CEO of AfriForum, Ernst Roets, says they have approached Parliament of its intentions to consult its legal team to halt the motion to amend Section 25 of the Constitution, allowing for land expropriation without compensation. This comes after President Cyril Ramaphosa announced that the ANC would support the EFF's call for the amendment.
In my own view, the land question is central to the Constitution. The struggle for emancipation from colonial, imperial and apartheid rule was largely the struggle about land.
Inhlangano engamela bebala iAfriForum iyaqhubeka nongalinambithisisi kahle ikhwela lokucakaza komhlaba phakathi. Ikakhulukazi njengoba iANC iqhubeka nokufaka amandla ekutheni umhlaba mawuqhubeke nokucakazwa phakathi.
The part of the problem or the reality in South Africa is the arrival of the EFF and the dynamic that has had on South African politics, especially in terms of pushing politics more towards the left. And the ANC has always wanted to be known as the progressive movement. And suddenly there's a movement that claims to be or purports to be more progressive. And instead of the ANC moving more towards the middle, it appears that the ANC is trying to out-EFF the EFF.
Lenhlangano yaphinde yaphumela obala ukuthi amaqembu ezombusazwe abhozamela abebala ngoba inhlaso enkulu ukuphuca bebala umhlaba njengoba kunenkolelo yokuthi wathathwa ngesandla esingafanele.
The ANC themselves have said that they acknowledge that this would result in disinvestment. They acknowledge that there would be an economic decline. Their view, of course, and they don't have any evidence for this, it's more a hope than a view. Their hope is that there would be an economic decline or collapse, and then we would sort of rise from the ashes again.
iAfriForum yakuveza ukuthi ngabuholi bukaMengameli uCyril Ramaphosa ayigculisekile neze ngoba bethu uhamba nomoya kanti usavala nezikhinzi ezasala ngemuva ngesikhathi izintambo zisaphethwe ngumnumzane uJacob Zuma.
He is running the risk to allow populism to take over this process. He is now at the mercy of populism. And I think he's in a position now where he's not in control anymore. He's not leading the process, he is being led by the process. And I think it's a very dangerous situation to be in. And I think he is running the risk of failing us all.
Uma umhlaba uqhubeka nokucakazwa ngokukhangezwa abaphoqwa abebala lentsonda. Lenhlangano yeAfriForum inabe yathi lokho kuzososa uthuthuva kanye nokungahlaliseke.
To an extent, he's dealing with the problems that were caused by the previous administration, but to an extent, he's worsening those problems. Yes, there was a big void under the previous administration.
Sakhile Sithole, wezindaba Soweto FM, Queen Letalopa, Centurion.